Hey, good morning, Martin Meylin. It's Mrs. Coates here, wanting to provide you with some more information as we begin our journey toward moving to planned instruction, which will begin on Tuesday, April the 14th. There is a video posted to the student section in Schoology, kind of with a little more details, but I wanted to take some time today to really talk about what the schedule is going to look like, because I know there are a lot of questions about what that Tuesday and Thursday reporting to class time will look like with the live sessions with your teacher. So looking at our schedule, this is what our class periods will look like on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So your teacher will communicate with you what those live sessions are going to look like, whether they'll be Zoom meetings, Google Hangouts, some sort of chat happening on Schoology. But on Tuesdays and Thursdays, this is the schedule we will follow. And again, we'll begin with that schedule on Tuesday, April the 14th. So at 8 o'clock, you will report to period 1, however your teacher is instructing you to report. And that class will run approximately 35 minutes. And then you'll notice that between each class, there's a 10-minute break. So that gives you a chance to stretch, use the bathroom, grab a snack, let the dog outside, whatever you might need to do in that 10 minutes before you log into your next class. So make sure that you're paying attention to how your teachers are posting and what those live sessions are going to look like. Again, these are only happening on Tuesdays and Thursdays, beginning this coming Tuesday, the 14th. On Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, your teachers will be providing some sort of lessons for you to be working on independently on your own time. So again, individual teachers will be putting those out to you and telling you how it is that you need to complete those and submit those. Something else, because I'm sure it's a big question, is how do my creative arts periods work? So in 7th grade, that would be periods 1 and 2. In 8th grade, periods 3 and 4. And in 6th grade, periods 5 and 6. So on Tuesdays and Thursdays, when you are reporting to your creative arts class, we're gonna run this by week. So this upcoming week will be week 1. So all of your classes in this first week will be day 1 classes. So for example, if you have phys ed on day 1, you will report to phys ed for creative arts this entire week. All of your work on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays will be focused on that phys ed. All of your live classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays during your phys ed period will be with phys ed. And that will change every week. So as we move to next week, beginning April 20th, that will be our second week. So that will be all day 2 classes. You will essentially spend an entire week on one cycle day when it comes to your creative arts classes. So please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. I know, like I've said before, and Mr. Ram has said, this is new for all of us. We're kind of navigating the waters as we move through. And if we are finding that this isn't working for us, then we certainly will go back and re-examine a better way to reach our students, because you guys are our focus right now. So Tuesdays and Thursdays, you're following this class schedule as best you possibly can and fits into what's happening in your homes. And then Mondays and Wednesdays and Fridays, you're working on individual assignments that have been posted by your teacher. We miss you guys. We hope that you're all doing well. And I know that your teachers are really eager to continue moving forward with our learning. Stay safe and well, Martin Meylin.